Hi everyone, welcome back to Leroy's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to make a chicken aglio olio, which is a pasta dish. Basically, aglio olio means in oil. And I'm going to show you how to infuse a beautiful olive oil sauce rather than using a cream sauce or a red sauce to make a yummy pasta. So the ingredients, I got 4 diced chicken thigh fillets. Don't use breasts, use thighs. About 3/4 cup of parsley, continental parsley, 1 lime. I have in here my aromats. I have 6 cloves of garlic, 4 red chillies, 1 brown onion and half a red onion. I have some salt and pepper, and I also have this beautiful Random Harvest rosemary and garlic olive oil. Now this stuff's about 15-20 bucks a bottle, but I got it as a Christmas present, so I'm going to use it in this tonight. I've also got some ordinary olive oil. It's a decent one. Please use a good olive oil for this dish. Don't use the home brand one. And my spice mixture is 4 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. Also 400 grams of dry spaghetti. You can use any pasta for this. I'm just going to use spaghetti because it goes well with this. And I've just got some baby spinach and rocket and the other half of my red onion, which I'm just going to make a little salad to go with it. Alright, I'll show you how to prepare. Okay, so you'll need 3 pots or pans going for this dish. The one on the back left is my water boiling so I can cook my pasta. It's got a couple of tablespoons of salt in it. This will be my aromats pot, which I'll do on low heat, and this will be my chicken pan. And I fry the chicken very fast. As you can see, it's going to be very hot by the time I put the chicken in. Okay, so everything's on. I've got the pasta in the pot, I've got my chicken cooking in the hot pan, and I've got my aromats here. There's just a little bit of olive oil with the chicken, and in here is about half a bottle, about 70 mils of that infused olive oil I had. And about another 70 mils of normal olive oil. That's going to simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes in there, so we really infuse the olive oil. And the chicken, we're going to sort of 3/4 cook the chicken. And just let it rest on the side until everything else is ready to go in. Alright, I'll be back shortly. Okay, so let's finish this off. When the chicken was cooked, I took it out of the pan, but I left all the juices in the pan. What we're going to do now is we're going to add the pot of aromats, which is cooked beautifully. You can see the colour in there, to our main pan. And in with the main pan, we're going to put our 3/4 cooked chicken back in. And now's when we pop in our spice mixture, our oregano, thyme, salt and pepper. Cover that. We're going to give that a good mix around, let it cook for a couple of minutes to make sure that chicken's cooked through, and then we're going to add the pasta and the parsley. Okay, our chicken's cooked through, so I've just added the parsley, and now instead of adding water, which is generally or traditionally what's used to cut the thickness of the olive oil down in this, I actually use a lime. It gives a great flavour and thins down the olive oil sauce, so I'm just squeezing the lime in there now. Good trick with limes, if you roll it hard on a chopping board before you cut it in half, or before you segment it, you will get more juice out of it. Considering limes are about 12 bucks a kilo, it's probably a good idea. Alright, so I'll mix that through, add the pasta, and then show you how it's finished. So the pasta and the remainder of the parsley have been added to the pan, and now just with a pair of tongs, I'm just going to massage through all that oil to coat the pasta, that beautiful infused oil with the garlic, the chilli. Just give this a good mix. And once mixed through and the pasta's warmed up, we can put it in a big serving bowl. This amount will serve 4 very hungry people. Alright, I've dished up our beautiful chicken aglio olio with spaghetti, just some green salad and red onion on the side, just lightly dressed, and serve with some grated cheese, your favourite. You can use Parmesan, tasty, Colby, whatever you prefer. Cool, I'm going to enjoy this now. Bye for now.